The live Aave cost is $51.27, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $35,022,262. Aave is up by 3.17% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 50, with a live market cap of $739,979,272. It has a circling supply of 14,428,196 Aave coins and a maximum supply of 16 million Aave coins. Aave cost examination for 17th June 2023 shows that the resource is exchanging bullish opinion. The beyond 24 hours have seen the coin gain 3.17% and is currently exchanging at $51.27, breaking the $50 mark. Aave has been exchanging the scope of $49 to $56 over the most recent 7 days, with a degree of opposition seen at the $52.09 level today. Support at the $49.25 mark has been going about as areas of strength for the resource, and apparently bullish energy is expanding on the lookout. Aave cost examination 1-day graph. Aave on a bullish potential over the $50 blemish on the day-to-day diagram. Aave is shaping record-setting paces all around, which is characteristic of a bullish market pattern. Aave has been consistently ascending starting from the beginning of the present meeting and is right now beneath the ongoing opposition at the $52.09 level. In the event that the bulls can get through this level, it might actually prompt further gains for the resource. Specialized pointers are adding to a negative opinion, which is losing force as the bulls appear to assume command over the market. The moving typical combination dissimilarity line is still underneath the sign line, however, moving upwards for an approaching hybrid. The overall strength file is right now over the oversold region at 32.03, which shows that there is still space for additional cost acquires in the market before it arrives at 50 level. Taking a gander at the moving normal. The 9-time frame MAMA is presently underneath the 21-period moving normal, which shows that a bullish pattern is as yet shaping on the lookout. Aave cost examination 4-hour diagram. Bulls retreat at $52.09 level, more potential gain to come or inversion. The 4-hour diagram for Aave cost examination uncovers a bullish pattern has been framed on the lookout. The bulls have been in charge for the beyond couple of hours, yet have been not able to get through the opposition at $52.09. In the event that the bulls can find strength and push past this level, Aave might actually set another opposition level. The 4-hour specialized markers show areas of strength for a feeling, with the MACD and RSI showing an inspirational perspective. The MACD line is as of now over the sign line, showing a further expansion in cost activity. In the interim, the RSI is at 45.78, which demonstrates that there is still space for additional additions before it arrives at 70 level. The moving normal on the 4-hour outline has a worth of 50.71 beneath the ongoing cost level, which demonstrates that the market is in a bullish pattern. Aave value expectation 2023. Our conjecture for 2023 proposes that the Aave cost could contact the most minimal degree of $84.21. In light of our estimations, the Aave cost could raise a ruckus around town, conceivable characteristic of $94.13, keeping a typical cost of $86.85. Aave crypto value expectation 2024. The expected least cost of Aave for 2024 stands at $124.33. Aave's cost could increment to a most extreme cost of $147.94. while the typical exchanging cost all through the year could settle at $128.67. Aave value forecast 2025. Our careful specialized examination of Aave's past cost information demonstrates that in 2025, Aave's cost could tumble to a base degree of $186.05. Notwithstanding, the Aave cost could move up to a greatest degree of $214.08, keeping a typical exchanging cost of $192.48. Aave value expectation 2026. In our estimate for 2026, the Aave cost is supposed to drop to the most minimal degree of $275.49. At the same time, the Aave cost could contact the most noteworthy conceivable sign of $324.52, with a typical Aave cost of $285.11. Aave value expectation 2027 out of 2027. The worth of a solitary Aave token could contact a base degree of $419.28. The Aave cost could raise a ruckus around town level of $471.93 while keeping a typical cost of $430.69 consistently. Aave value expectation 2028. Our far-reaching specialized examination of Aave's past cost information recommends that in 2028 the Aave cost could hit at least $622.67. The Aave's worth could arrive at a pinnacle of $727.52, with the typical exchanging cost conceivably being $644.21. Aave value expectation 2029. The base anticipated cost of Aave for 2029 is supposed to be $922.02. The Aave cost could increment to a limit of $1,080.10, keeping a typical exchanging cost of $954.23 consistently. Aave value figure 2030. The estimate and specialized investigation for 2030 propose a base Aave cost of $1,348.10. The Aave cost can possibly contact a limit of $1,576.39, with the normal typical cost settling at $1,386.27. Aave value expectation 2031. In view of our gauge and specialized examination, the Aave cost could arrive at least $1,919.93 in 2031. The Aave cost can contact a pinnacle of $2,359.06, with the typical exchanging cost perhaps being $1,975.38. Aave value expectation 2032. Our forecast for 2032 recommends a base Aave cost of $2,847. The Aave cost could arrive at a limit of $3,374.63, with the typical value expected to be $2,926.02 consistently. Aave's value history. ETH-Lend began in 2017 as a distributed computerized resource loaning and getting stage. It created $16.2 million during an underlying coin offering. During the very ICO, that 1 billion units of loan coins were sold, with 300 million saved for the Aave group. ETH-Lend was given another name in 2018, Aave, with ETH-Lend turning into an auxiliary. Note that Aave implies apparition in Finnish. In January 2020, the convention formally went live on the Ethereum mainnet. By August of that very year, the Aave token rose to be the second DeFi convention to get to $1 billion in complete worth locked, with MakerDAO being the first. Around the same time, Aave was granted an EMI permit by the FCA, which saw loan quickly ascend by 30% to another ATH at that point. Around a similar time, a second form of the Aave convention was declared and was delivered on the 3rd of December of that very year. Different highlights were accounted for at the same time, including an exchanging work area, a game studio, and an installment framework. Aave's proposition to update its convention was passed consistently by its local area. Following Aave v3's mainnet send-off on 16 WAP, Aave token flooded as much as 114% to a close to 3-month high of $261.29 hit on the 1st of April 2022. And the Aave biological system has kept on drawing financial backers since its send-off with a developing local area. And the procuring open doors it gives financial backers by empowering them to loan, get, and procure interest on crypto resources without mediators. DeFi projects like Aave are additionally